In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text in Gmail. We'll walk through the exact process of taking text from one email and moving it into a new message so you can reuse a quote, forward important details, or save notes for later. Start by signing into your Google account and opening your Gmail inbox. Make sure you're in the right account if you use more than one, so you're working with the correct messages. Next, open the email that contains the text you want. Click it in your inbox to bring it up on the screen. Once the message is open, scroll to the section with the text you want to copy so it's fully visible. Now, select the text. Move your mouse pointer to the very beginning of the text. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag across the text until everything you need is highlighted. Release the mouse button to keep the selection in place. If you prefer, you can double-click to select a single word or triple-click to select a full paragraph, and you can also click at the start, hold Shift, and click at the end to highlight a range precisely. Take a moment to confirm you grabbed exactly what you intended. With the text highlighted, copy it. Hover over the highlighted area, right-click to open the menu, and click Copy. If you're comfortable with shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Either way, the text is now stored on your clipboard and ready to paste. Head back to your inbox view and click the Compose button at the top left. This opens a new message window where you'll place the copied text. If the Compose window appears minimized, click it to expand and give yourself space to work. Click inside the body of the new email where you want the text to appear. Right-click and choose Paste. You can also use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. The copied text will appear exactly where your cursor was. If some formatting comes along, that's normal. You can adjust fonts or spacing afterward if needed. At this point, you can edit the text, personalize it, and add context. Type a clear subject line so your recipient knows what to expect, add recipients, and give everything a quick review for accuracy and tone. When you're satisfied, go ahead and send the email. And that's it. You've successfully copied and pasted text in Gmail quickly and cleanly, and you're ready to use this workflow whenever you need to repurpose information.